YouTube. So today I'm just going to be up-potting Stevia. Now, fun fact, I didn't know that I was saying the word wrong. I said in the video past, Stevia. I thought that was how it was pronounced, but it's Stevia. So I'm going to be up-potting my Stevia plants today. And these I started from seed, and I got the seeds from rareseeds.com, Baker Creek, and I'm really happy that these have come up. Today I'm just going to up-pot them to 2 pots. They're not that big, but they're big enough to get them going even more. And then once these get to a nice manageable size, I'll just up-pot them again to something bigger. So the soil that I'm using is just some reused soil that I had basil growing in. And there are some basil roots that were left in. I don't think that'll harm the plant. So I just mixed it up really well and just started adding it into the pots. So I did taste one of the leaves prior to this, and I was amazed. The flavor is sweet. It does taste like, if you're familiar with tasting Stevia, it does have that sweet flavor, but I think it's better than what you get in the store. I don't know, maybe because I grew it myself, but it does have that sweet flavor, and I am excited because I cannot wait to put this into tea. And I feel like I probably say that a lot about everything that I've grown so far. I really like tea, but I do think the Stevia is going to be amazing in a tea. And from what I've seen, you can dry it and you can use it as a sugar, or in place of sugar, or you can even dry the leaves and just use the leaves as tea, I think I've seen. So a few videos back, I mentioned that I had lemon balm growing, as well as the Stevia, as well as what I thought was mint, but I assumed it was basil based off of look. I tasted it recently, and it is in fact mint. So lemon balm, mint, and then I think the other one is a mint. I'm not sure yet, but it tastes just like a spearmint or something. I did start that from seed, and my error, sometimes I just start things from seed and I do not label, and I just got to do better with labeling. So if you start a garden, don't forget to label, like me. All right, so that's the Stevia that's been up-potted into these pots where they can breathe and grow and grow and grow and grow. And as always, I appreciate all of you. The channel's actually almost at 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. Even to reach 80, I am excited. So thanks to all of you who've subscribed, who've liked, who've shared, who's commented, who's viewed. I appreciate you all, and thank you. So until the next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And until the next video, peace.